Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm not talking travel, I am talking Valentine's Day. You're gonna come with me to shop at Homegoods and Michael's for some Valentine's Day decor. I recorded this video a few weeks ago at Michael's, so they didn't have a lot of Valentine's Day decor when I went. I'm sure now they have much more, but these are some really cute items that you can pick up to decorate your home for Valentine's Day, since obviously most of us will be stuck in the house, so it'll be nice to add something festive and decorate and just have a wonderful Valentine's Day.
In the backyard?
Yeah.
What is
Do
this?
you think it'll fit?
What is this?
I think it's called a chariot.
The chariot?
Chariot, thank you.
Okay.
Chariot. It's nice.
All right.
It's not, I will admit, it's not that comfortable. It's a little hard.
Yeah, it looks pretty
but
hard.
I like it. You could put
You like
candles.
it? Do you like the price?
$17.99. Not so much.
Yeah, not so much.
Let's keep it moving.
Yeah, let's keep it moving. The chariot doesn't await us.
The chariot does not await us. They have a great selection of cake boxes. This one is only $5.99. Got this one. How much is this? I don't see the price on that one. But oh, okay. So $19.99, which is pretty good. And then you got cupcake holder. And they got this, which is really cute. The coconut and chocolate cake mix. So not only do you have the cake mix, but you also get the cake box. And check this out. If you love tiramisu, they got some really great tiramisu chocolates. I actually tried this the other day. It's delicious. This is only $3.99. So they got a great selection of candy. For your Valentine, you can pick some up here. Some Be Mine candy, $4.99. Oh, look, these are really cute. Marshmallow Pops. And those are $3.99. Got some sunflower seeds. And more candy. This is beautiful. So you can put some nice little tea lights right inside. This is only $29.99. Look at how gorgeous that is. And look at this vase. This vase is only $16.99. It's beautiful. Look at that. So nice. Got this cake tier, 2 levels. Obviously, I'm not gonna pick that up. Don't want to break it. $4.99. So these candles are $7.99. They have a ton of different kinds. They smell really good. You can also decorate with these tulips and the vase. Let's check the price on that. So that's $24.99. But yeah, these are really nice. And they look somewhat real. Right? I love you candle. This one smells so good. And that one's $12.99.
Hello, Homegoods shoppers.
These plates are only $4.99. And then you got the smaller saucer. This one is $3.99. Those are beautiful. And these beautiful placemats, they are actually kind of expensive. They are $8.99?
$7.99.
$7.99. Yeah, they're pretty, but $7.99 each. These are only $2.99. You can bake like some mini cakes, some heart cakes in here. $2.99. Got pink and you've got red. They have these glasses. These are $3.99. Valentine's Day with hearts on it. And this is $16.99. And that's for both of them. They're actually attached. Got some rosé sparkling jelly beans. This is pretty nice. You can use it to decorate and of course enjoy all the goodness that's inside of it. For the popcorn lovers, sea salt caramel corn, chocolate caramel. And then we got the gummies. Gourmet gummies. Babe, you like gummies. Here's a little more candy. You've got these bag of marshmallows. $4.99. These are so cute. These are $4.99 as well. And if you are a tea lover, there's some really great teas. Their teas are $3.99. Peanut brittle. And these next few items are for the dog lovers. This bed is so damn cute and it's only $59.99. This pet bed for $99.99. This doggo set is $19.99. It's a set. You get 2 candles, and they're scented. They smell really good. And that one is $9.99. And then this one comes with a room spray and 2 candles, and that one is $12.99. If you like this video, please click like and subscribe. I will be doing another video for the top 25 things you can do to celebrate Valentine's Day at home or close to home.